All rise! This court is now in session.
No one remembers exactly when corn became the villain. Only that eventually everyone believed it.
Corn, you stand accused of helping cause diabetes.
The room waited. So did the world.
I've heard those words my whole life. I just wish someone had asked me.
Sometimes the loudest accusation hides the quietest truth.
I've fed children. I've helped families. I've stood in fields long before rumors existed.
For thousands of years, corn wasn't feared, it was trusted.
So tell me, if I've always been the villain, why did people trust me for thousands of years?
That is where our story begins.
When I was little, children ran toward me. Now, they walk away.
Fear has a strange way of rewriting memories.
Look! The corn is ready!
Long before food labels, there were harvests.
You've always been there for people.
I never wanted to be famous. I only wanted to feed them.
Some heroes never ask to be noticed. They simply show up again and again.
Blamed me too.
Me 3. Apparently, we're all dangerous now.
Sometimes the accused have more in common than they realize.
If I'm truly guilty, why do people keep confusing me with someone else?
The real story was about to
On the
begin.
same shelves, yet people keep calling us the same.
I never asked them to.
For years, one name quietly borrowed another's reputation.
Stopped seeing me. And started seeing these.
Not everything made from corn is still corn.
People don't usually read the label. They think we're identical.
The truth was becoming more complicated.
Get blamed for fries. I get blamed for smoothies.
I get blamed for everything. At least nobody deep fries me.
Sometimes food isn't judged for what it is, but for what people do with it. If corn wasn't the whole story, what really happens between the farm and your dinner plate?